Days after the storm, the cleanup continues. Families identifying the dead. Help coming from all across the state and the nation, proving the truth behind the name, the Volunteer State. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to News 2 at 5. I'm Haley Wilges. Tonight, we have new information. The death toll now sits, the final death toll at 20. There are no more people unaccounted for. The sheriff says the city will now shift to cleanup mode. Something that has helped with search and rescue is new technology that was never used before in Tennessee.
We were able to get some of our victims that may have been hard to identify. We were able to get them identified through DNA. This equipment that TBI has that was able to come in here and help us get identifications made within an hour and a half was very important in this operation, and it helps these families get closure and closure quick.
Now we have team coverage tonight from Humphreys County. News 2's Alex Dennis has a woman's selfless act of love for her neighbors. And Danielle Breezy is tracking the forecast and sharing one man's story as he helps with the recovery. But first we head out to Bob Mueller with the latest from Waverly. Bob.
Haley, there is a strong current that runs through the people here in Waverly as they try to get through this unbelievable disaster, and that is their faith. These people are strong. They are people of strong faith. They believe in themselves. They believe that with that faith, they will get through this and get to the other side. They know it's not going to be easy. It's going to take perseverance. It's going to take unity, but they believe it will happen. The owner of the Cash Saver here, he's right behind me in the green shirt. He's been here all day. He says he's one of those people. He believes he'll get back. He was flooded out 3 years ago. It's been flooded out again. He says he will return. Take you inside. All you see is standing water, soggy merchandise, mud on the floors, mud on the wall. It shows the water line. The employees inside, they had to climb on top of pallets as the water rolled in so quickly. They were trapped up to their necks. They had to stay there for about an hour before they were finally freed.